In a valley where clouds almost touched the ground lived a bright blue bird named Feather. She had one strange habit. She never flew. She walked everywhere, over hills, through rivers, even across busy forests, but never used her wings. Kids watching might laugh. Adults might ask, "Why does a bird not fly?" But no one knew her truth. She once flew too high, trusted the sky too much, and lost her flock in a storm. Since then, she never left the ground again. One day, a human boy named Arlo came to the valley, limping and silent. He'd been in a terrible accident and stopped talking ever since. The villagers said he was damaged. Kids avoided him. Adults whispered around him. But Feather understood him. She followed him day after day, quietly, patiently. And one day, Arlo looked at her and asked, "Why don't you fly?" She didn't answer, but in that moment, a silent bond formed. Two broken beings who had stopped doing what they were born for. One evening, a fire broke out near the forest's edge, where Arlo sat sketching in silence. Everyone ran, panicked, but Feather heard his cries from above the smoke. She couldn't walk through it. She couldn't sing through it. She had only one way in, and that meant doing the one thing she swore she'd never do again: fly. Her wings shook. Her heart raced. The memories tried to drag her down. But this time, someone needed her more than her fear needed control. She took off. Through ash, through flame, through fear. She reached Arlo, pecked his shoulder, guided him with soft taps, and led him out. As villagers surrounded the rescued boy, he broke his silence. "The bird, she flew for me." Feather landed nearby, exhausted but alive. For the first time in years, she looked up at the sky, not with fear, but with pride. She didn't fly to escape. She flew to save. And Arlo, the boy who hadn't spoken in months, now carried a sketch of her soaring through fire